be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun.
A lot of you know. Yeah, it's ready.
Let me introduce you.
What are you thankful for? What are you thankful for? What are you thankful for? Hey, happy Thanksgiving! Oh my gosh, I have so many things to be thankful for every day really, but especially this Thanksgiving compared to where we were last Thanksgiving. I have a lot to be grateful and to be thankful for. I just finished some videos and I wanted to unwind, and I was like, you know what, let me show you one of the things that I am thankful for. This right here. A lot of you know, see, someone dropped a comment one time. The person was like, oh, Adenike, is that the only bag you have? And I was like, listen, this Teddy Blake bag of mine is my favorite bag that I own, okay? Quality, check. Stylish, check. Spacious, check. Matches almost everything, check. So why would I carry it a lot? Teddy Blake is actually having their Black Friday sale right now, up to 85% off. Okay, so you should go get yours. If you've been waiting all year to get yourself some Teddy Blake, now is the time, okay? Quality. I'll put the link down below in the description box. Use it so you can ensure to get up to 85% of your purchase, okay? Ooh, no, this doesn't go on the floor. It doesn't go on the floor. Let's put it back there. All right, good. Yeah, so today is actually the day before Thanksgiving, pre-Thanksgiving. And one thing I learned last year was that don't start cooking on Thanksgiving Day, okay? It's just a bad idea. You're going to spend the entire day cooking on Thanksgiving, and I just did not like it. That was what happened to me last year because JJC, it was my first Thanksgiving with my family. I did not know. So this Thanksgiving, I've learned. So today is when I'm going to do the food prep, chicken prep. I know, chicken on Thanksgiving Day, I know. It's just two of us, you know, my husband and I. So a whole turkey is going to be too much, okay? And I don't even like turkey that much, you know? So maybe because I've never actually tried baking it myself. So I said, let me just play it safe and do, where's my... I'm just going to play it safe and do what I know, which is chicken. So I'll prep the chicken today. I'll prep the pepper as well because I think I might do some stew. What else am I going to do? I don't know, just a few things that I will prep today so that tomorrow will just be like bam, 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 very quick, you know, and all of that. So let's go into the kitchen and get cooking. Do I look tired? If I do, I am tired, okay? But it's Thanksgiving. I cannot be too tired to cook, but we are going to move fast. All right, so we're going to start with this right here. I'm thinking I'll do like yogurt chicken or something since I haven't done it in a while instead of doing barbecue, you know. What I'm just going to do right now is clean the chicken, like cut off the excess fats, you know, and all of that. What are you guys eating for Thanksgiving? Well, if you are in the state or if you are out of the state and you're celebrating Thanksgiving anyway, let me know in the comment section what you ate or what you're eating, or what you will be eating for Thanksgiving. I'm going to dab the chicken of the excess water with some paper towel, and then I always make sure to slice a bit, you know, because we want the sauce, the seasoning to get into it as much as possible. So And I like to do sauce dry seasoning, okay? So we'll start with some yogurt, and I'm just using a plain, just regular whole milk yogurt. I'll still add more later, but let's use that for now. And then I said dry ingredients, so we'll add some seasoning. This is like chicken seasoning that I have, and just be generous because you have a lot. Bless you, baby. I allowed the ancestors. I add some ketchup sauce. I allowed the ancestors to whisper to me. Let's not finish it though. They are not opening the store tomorrow. This Heinz chili sauce is kind of like a mixture of ketchup and pepper. That's how it tastes in my mouth, but I really like it. And then we'll add some cinnamon powder. Again, you know, we want it, the whole point of these types of chicken is that you want them to have like a burst of flavor, you know. Garlic powder, put those in there. And then we'll add some honey as well, because we want it to have that sweet, sweet taste. Not too sweet though, but you get what I mean. That's enough. Some black pepper. Okay, there we go. Add that. And then we'll add some onion powder. Did I already open this one? No, I haven't. Some white pepper. Some people might say, oh, you don't need to. Well, you know, for me, my belief is put what you want inside. And some paprika as well. Yeah. And then that's going to be hot. And then we'll follow up with, well, maybe some more yogurt. My yogurt is finished, so sorry that I'm shaking the cup like this. Onion powder, and we are ready. So I like to use my hands because I just believe it's faster that way, but I make sure to wear gloves when I do it. Some people like to use spoons and whatnot, but you know, whatever rocks your boat. So now you just mix and mix and mix together. Okay. I typically use it to cover it. As so. Last stage of prepping. This goes inside the fridge till tomorrow. Ooh, don't break my glass here. I want to just roast a bit in the just this is not a lot. I just want to roast it. It's boiled and it's been in the freezer, so I figured I should roast it a bit. There we go. All right, so next on the prep list is this mackerel fish. I've had it for a while and I just figured now is as good a time to boil it. Stop sucking. You remove one hand, it adds the second one. Stop sucking. Stop sucking. Say hello. Say happy Thanksgiving. Yeah. Apple. Apple. I'm just prepping.
Okay, but you're filming.
Uh,
Okay. The video is rice, I think.
Jollof first.
I'm gonna have some rice.
Okay. Tosin came back with goodies. Oh, okay. Ah, it's inside paper that they packed it.
No, they put inside and then I'll
Ah, they are very fancy.
short.
On top tilapia. See how the tilapia is now fresh. See how fine it is. Yeah, come. That way.
This was the last chicken that I saw at
Where?
Walmart.
Really? See, that's where it's going to. Happy Thanksgiving! Yay! See him, see him carrying cheese. Yeah. I had to stop filming yesterday because I was knackered. Okay, that's the word, not exhausted. I was knackered. Even though I still finished prepping, but I just couldn't keep filming. So, but I finished prepping everything I had to prep. Let me just bring everything out for now. Uncle, please tell us. Oh, sorry. Let me feed this boy milk. See, I did my fish. I grilled it. Focus, place your focus. There we go. I grilled my fish, and then that's my orishirishi multi-purpose meat. I said meat. It's coming now, baby. I also prepped my pepper. I just kind of left it in the oven. That's how tired I was because I was like, no, I'll deal with it today. But this is ready to be blended. Yeah, so I had to go to the store this morning because I realized I didn't have a necessary item, and thankfully H-E-B was open and I was able to grab it, and the store was packed, like packed. Okay.
With people?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
People were still shopping. Some sweet potatoes. I'm going to be making sweet potato pie because what is Thanksgiving without some sweet potato pie? So I've never made it before. Is to put it in the oven for 40 minutes. Actually, I need to preheat the oven first. I cooked my rice yesterday. I also prepped my veggies as well yesterday. So I just kind of separated everything. I did a lot of work last night, I'm telling you. No, you know. Personally, when I'm cooking fish, I don't like to include the head of fish because I feel like it soaks a lot of the stew, you know, even the pepper soup. Like, see, this whole head now, it will soak a lot of the pepper soup, and then you can't even chew it. It's just bone. So I don't like including it in my stew. I like to cut it off and just throw it out. Blended crayfish it is. Okay. This is a mackerel. I grilled it in the oven last night. Stock of the fish broth. That's what it's called, fish broth. or meatball, whatever. Back! I'll put you back on your seat. Okay, so whilst that's going on, I'm going to make Nimi's breakfast. Why is the camera like it's it's in between? It's not up, it's not down. I'm going to make his breakfast, and he's going to have cereal, but I'll add some bananas, some blueberries, strawberries, and then an egg as well. Baby, you didn't say anything. See? And breakfast is ready for Nimi. Very nice, Abby. Smells so good. That's right. This. But I'm just peeling the potatoes now. I'm going to cut them into bits into the mixing bowl. My stew is ready for the fish, so it's only, this is not too much for this fish. You know what, let me take some out, let me pack some. See, quick thinking, Adenike, quick thinking. This is ready. And this is ready too. It's not burnt, it's the water, you know, the excess water that went with it that is burnt. Looking good, guys. The stew is done, the chicken is done. I'm going to make the sweet potato now, the sweet potato pie, after which I'll do my garlic bread. Two make one, right? The two will make one stick, right? Yeah, right. I brought out enough eggs, but I want to use a mixture of, I added some brown sugar, I added some white sugar. You know, let me add a bit more cinnamon. I love the smell of cinnamon when I'm baking. Goodness, guys, listen, I just got back from the store for the second time today, and I'm just glad that I found what took me there. Okay, let me tell you what happened. So my battery died, but I filmed it on my phone. What happened was that when my mixture was ready, and then I was about to put it in the baking bowl, right, the pie bowl, and then look at this, the pie crust had scattered, it had broken completely. I just knew there was no way I would be able to salvage it, right? So off to the store I went. When I got to the store, I only found, of this type, I only found the chocolate ones, and I didn't want that. So I was leaving, then I said, okay, let me Google. Then I Googled, and I realized that frozen pie crusts exist. So I went back into the store, went round and round. When I got to where it was, I found just two left, and there was someone standing right in front of it. So I just rushed, like I almost pushed the woman. I felt bad after, but I almost, because I was like, excuse me, because she stood like she wasn't sure if she wanted it, and me, I knew I wanted it. So I just rushed and grabbed this one. I can't tell you how happy I am, because what would have happened. Like, anyway, hopefully there's nothing wrong with the fact that it sat for so long. All right, so what I'm going to do next is to wrap the edges. They say that you need to wrap the edges with foil paper so that the crust does not get burnt. I guess it will look something like this. Into the oven this goes. Okay, so now I'll just add some Creole seasoning, and then we'll add some onion powder as well. I'll just add some extra virgin olive oil, just a little. This goes into the oven like so. I was saying that I completely forgot I was supposed to be filming, and I kind of already started, but now I'm just going to decorate the dining table just a little bit. For my wig, for my nice dress. Yes, yes. We're almost done. You know, the dining is looking so good. Did I try or did I try? And then we'll add some parsley leaves. Okay. Some pepper flakes. Salt to taste. Together. All right, so this is ready. Way better. Oh, so good. Now we're going to spread this baby all over our bread because it's Thanksgiving. Have you? I use everything though. All right, so this is going to go into the oven for 15 minutes and then it's done. Okay, so it is ready. I just brought it out of the oven. Look at it. It looks so good and yummy. And oh yeah, it's ready. I wanted to make it browner, but Tosin said he doesn't want it to be too brown. So our food is ready. Alrighty, so the table is set. Tosin has gotten started already. We've blessed the food already, but I'm going to go eat. I just figured, oh, I should end the vlog properly. I'm grateful for you that is watching, that watched this video, for subscribing, for supporting our family, for showing us so much love. We're super grateful for you. We're grateful that God will continue to bless you. For that, we are sure. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I'm gonna go eat now because I'm hungry, but from our family to yours, we wish you a very happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye guys. See you in my next video. Mwah. Oh, remaining God, I pray God blesses you, your homes, your marriages, your relationships. Most importantly, I pray God blesses you. Remaining God and God bless you. Mwah. Happy Thanksgiving. Bye.